In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your mobile number on Pocket FM. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the Pocket FM app and make sure you're logged into the account connected to your current or old mobile number. From the home screen, tap the profile icon. You can also access your profile through My Library depending on the version of the app you're using. You will notice that you have the option to click the pencil icon because this is where you can edit your profile. Pocket FM allows you to display all of the account details, including your email address and your phone number. Now, if you can't change the phone number or that option is not available on your account, don't worry because Pocket FM has a dedicated account management support. Simply visit the support center, submit a request through the official Pocket FM support page. Explain that you want to update the mobile number connected to your existing account and provide the account details requested by Pocket FM support. Basically, that's it for today's video on how you can change or update the mobile number associated with your Pocket FM account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.